In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to query your Xero data in Excel. This simple yet effective process will boost your productivity by making your financial data more accessible and easier to analyze. It all starts with logging into your Xero account, which is the gateway to managing your financial data seamlessly. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Xero login page. Once you're there, look for the login button and give it a click. After that, simply enter your email and password to access your account. In case you have any trouble remembering your login credentials, make sure you have them saved securely, or use the password recovery options provided by Xero. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, navigate to the Connected Apps icon, which will give you access to various integrations available with Xero. Click on it and a list of connected applications will appear. Look for Sync Hub and select it. Sync Hub serves as the bridge between your Xero account and Excel, allowing seamless data integration. Once in Sync Hub, your next move is to click on your Xero connection. This step helps you access the synchronization or reporting options. When you're connected, you can utilize Excel's data querying features to choose the specific data you wish to report on. Remember, understanding the data you need and how to efficiently select it in Excel can save you a lot of time and effort. If you're looking for an alternative or simply want to try a different method, the next steps will guide you on exporting reports directly from Xero to Excel. Begin by heading back to your Xero dashboard, find the accounting section and click on it. From there, navigate to the Reports tab. This tab opens up a world of detailed financial insights that Xero compiles for you. Identify the report you're interested in exporting from the available options. Once you've made your selection, look for the setup or report configuration you wish to explore further. When you're ready, click on the Export option to initiate the download. Xero provides multiple formats for exporting, hence make sure to choose Excel when prompted. This whole process is about making your financial data more actionable and easier to work with. By efficiently querying your Xero data in Excel, you'll be enhancing your ability to perform financial analysis, forecast accurately, and make informed decisions. With practice, this will become an invaluable part of your financial management toolkit. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guidance on accessing and managing your Xero data in Excel proves instrumental in your day-to-day financial tasks. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.